Production activities in plastic recycling craft villages have been bringing many benefits, such as providing jobs, socio-economic development for households in rural areas. However, nowadays plastic recycling craft villages cause many negative impacts on the environment. The basic feature of plastic recycling craft villages in Vietnam is that they normally operate on a household scale or in groups, produce manually, input materials are mainly scraps that are not clean. Most production facilities do not have the necessary pollution control, waste treatment, and labor protection measures. Most of the waste arising from plastic recycling process is dumped on-site or dumped on the unsanitary landfill of the craft village. So there is a huge potential risk of causing environmental pollution and affecting people's health. In fact, there has been so many technologies implemented to deal with the pollution, but depending on the technology applied, the treatment costs will vary. There are low-cost treatment technologies, but secondary pollution will be generated during the treatment process, and there are modern treatment technologies which do not cause odors and generate secondary pollution, but the operating costs are too high, so they are not suitable for the actual local conditions. Faced with the above situation, with the support from the Project Demonstration of Best Available Techniques, BAT, and Best Environmental Practices, BEP, with open burning activities in response to the Stockholm Convention of POPs, was implemented by the United Nations Industrial Development Organization in 5 countries, including Vietnam, Cambodia, Laos, Mongolia, and Philippines. The experts in the consortiums include Vietnam Cleaner Production Center, VNCPC, Vietnam Color Trading and Manufacturing, Vietnam Color, Vietnam Environment. From field trips to surveys in craft villages, experts have researched and given the most suitable proposals and technical solutions. Based on technical drawings, experts have been looking for domestic and foreign equipment partners to jointly complete 3 machines line, including upgraded HDPE production line with low investment cost, does not require large installation area and quick installation time. New PE production line with modern technology helps to increase productivities and produce better plastic products while removing emissions to the environment. And recycling lines of plastic waste into construction materials. The upgraded HDPE production line, the plastic particles after grinders is fed into extruder 1, where an automatic filtration system is added to improve the efficiency of the extrusion process. More importantly, there is no need to burn the filter contaminated with plastic and other impurities. Thermal insulation layer is installed at the extruders to prevent heat loss. This helps to reduce the ambient temperature in the workplace as well as significantly reduce heat and power consumption. In particular, the line also offers solutions related to electrical systems, such as improving the power factor to improve the efficiency and safety of the production process. Advanced technology PE production line. Conveyor belt is used to improve the productivity of material feeding process. Plastic is washed and grinded at the grinder into small pieces. The wastewater is then discharged into a settling tank to recover and reuse. With the floating washer, the dirt at the bottom of the wash tank is automatically removed using a drainage screw. Next, the drying process helps to remove water from the grinded plastic after washing, which reduces the amount of heat required for extrusion, thereby contributing to lower energy costs of the system. The grinded plastic is passed through an extruder with an integrated automatic filtration system during the extrusion process. Extruder 2 is used to create the long plastic strands before they are cooled and cut into plastic granules. As a result, plastic granules with a uniform size can be sold at a higher price. Incineration is a process of treating waste at high temperature because the waste is oxidized at high temperature at the presence of the oxygen in the air. Therefore, hazardous waste components are converted into exhaust gases and non-combustible components are converted into ash and slag. Advantages of waste incineration methods. Many types of waste can be treated, minimize the volume of waste, and investment is not too high. Disadvantages. require waste with high calorific value. An additional fuel source must be added to burn the waste. With the recycling line of plastic waste into construction materials, it will help to resolve the following problems. Complete elimination of solid waste burning from plastic recycling. Make use of solid waste from recycling process to produce useful products such as bricks, tiles, fence bar, pallets. Towards a circular economy, reusing waste as raw materials, bringing economic and environmental benefit. The system has a capacity of 0.4 tons per hour. Plastic waste are mixed with additives and filling materials to create the compound. Depending on the type of products, the compound after mix will be fed into hydraulic pressing machine or extruding machine to create semi-product. Semi-product will go through some post-processing step to become final products such as brick, tiles, fence bar, and pallets. For products with complex shapes such as tiles or pavement tiles, they will be produced by hydraulics pressing machine with molds. Bricks made from plastic waste can be used to pave streets, build houses. Construction materials from plastic waste have many advantages such as high durability, waterproof, good bearing capacity, easy constructions, and installation. Currently, there are 200 households at Minh Khai and Phan Boi craft villages being trained on topics related to plastic recycling, and this number will continue to increase. Provision of service and equipment, turnkey, for 2 pilot facilities to be located at Phan Boi and Minh Khai Craft Village. Donors, GEF and Unidel. Host agency, Project Management Unit, demonstration of BAT and BPE in open burning activities to Stockholm Conventions on POPs.